Hi, Jackson Elementary. I'm back with your next lesson. And today for this lesson, you're gonna need someone to verse again. If you don't have somebody to play against, I'll show you how to play it by yourself. You'll need a couple paper plates, pieces of paper, or napkins, whatever you have. And you'll need 2 sock balls, just socks rolled up, and a bucket, any type of bucket that you have. We're gonna use that one that's out on the floor. So, first thing you're gonna do, on your pieces of paper, your paper plates or napkins, you're gonna write numbers. So I have some 1s, I've got 2s, and I've got 3s. You can pick what numbers that you wanna put on them, whatever point values you wanna use. So I'm gonna put these paper plates out around my bucket. And I'm gonna put the smallest numbers closest to the bucket, because that's the easiest toss. We're gonna be working on our underhand toss and our overhand throw, either one that you wanna work on. Okay, so I'm gonna put my 1s closer to the bucket. 2s a little bit further away from the 1s. And then my 3s are gonna go the furthest away from the bucket. Okay, so here's how it's gonna work. My husband and I are each gonna have our softball. We're gonna start back behind the start line. When I say go, we're each gonna run to a paper plate. So let's say I run to the 2. I'm gonna toss my softball and try to get it into the basket. If I make it, I get to pick up the paper plate and hold it in my non-dominant hand. So non-dominant is the one you don't write with. So since I write with my right hand and I throw with my right hand, I'm gonna hold the plate in my left hand. Then I can move to a different paper plate, toss my softball, and if I make it, pick up the paper plate. If I don't make it, I have to run and get my softball and go to a different paper plate to try to make it. Then, after all the paper plates are gone, my husband and I are gonna bring our paper plates over here, and we're gonna add up our points. Whoever has the most points at the end wins. Okay, make sure you're being a good sport when you play this. If you both get to the same paper plate at the same time, play rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to shoot from there. So again, you can work on your overhand throw, step, make a target, and throw, or your underhand toss, stepping with your opposite foot that you write with, non-dominant foot, step, and toss. Okay? So here we go. Good luck. Ready? Set, go. Plates are gone. We just did a couple. You could do more than that. We just wanted to demonstrate for you guys. So I got 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So I had 8 points. My husband got 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 2 is 4. So Mrs. Bullen won that round. Good try. Okay. Our next way that we're going to play it, I'm going to show. If you're by yourself and you're playing that, you could do 2 rounds. Set a 30-second timer, see how many points you get in your first round, then do it again and see how many points you get in your second round. So if you don't have anyone to play with, that's okay. You can still do this, okay? The next version I'm going to show you of this game is with exercises. So this time my paper plates have exercises, 2 push-ups, 5 mountain climbers, okay? So I'm going to set my paper plates out around my bucket again. Wanting to get involved. Okay. And again, I didn't make a whole lot of plates. You can make more if you wanted to. So this time, when we run to the paper plate, we have to do the exercise before we take our throw or our toss into the bucket. If you miss it, you don't keep the plate. If you make it, you keep the plate. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, go. 5 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 push-ups. You can go on your knees or your toes. Okay, so this you just count how many plates you got. So I got 1, 2, 3. My husband got 1, 2, 3. So we tied that round, okay? And same thing, if you don't have anyone to play against, you could just do that one on your own as well. All right, I hope you guys have fun with this. See you next time.